If you have just got your brand new Nintendo Switch 2, first of all, congratulations. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the basics of setting it up for the first time. We'll cover everything you need to know, including how to set up your Switch 2, transfer your data from a previous Switch, connect it to a TV, and even how to pair a Pro controller, something that can be confusing for new users or parents setting it up for their kids. Whether you're brand new to the Nintendo family or just upgrading, this video will answer all your key setup questions and get you started the right way. When you turn it on for the first time, just need to go through the basic usual stuff like selecting your regions, language, and connecting it to the Wi-Fi. Once you do all that, in this part, it will ask you to detach your both Joy-Cons. So in order to set it up, make sure you detach your both Joy-Cons and press OK. Now it will ask you to set it up for TV, which we are going to do it later. Once you do all that, it will go for a short software update, and after the update, you'll be asked if you want to transfer your data from the previous switch to the new one. So if you're transferring your data from the old switch, just grab your old Nintendo Switch and go to the settings and system. Scrolling down, you'll find the option for system transfer to Nintendo Switch 2. Just press that and follow the instruction. While doing the transfer, make sure you connect both consoles with their original chargers. I tried connecting my old Nintendo Switch 2 with my iPhone Type-C charger, but it did not work, so make sure you use the both original charging adapters from Nintendo Switch. In order to complete this process, your old Nintendo Switch will go through an software update as well. While doing this system transfer, make sure they are both connected to the chargers. That is the key part, and make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi as well. After the system transfer, your new Nintendo Switch 2 will restart. Now everything will be completely transferred to your new Nintendo Switch 2 from your old console. And that's how you transfer your data from your old Nintendo Switch to the new one. Now let's learn how to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 with the TV. In order to do that, you'll need a HDMI cable that comes with the box and the Nintendo Switch 2 dock. Just open the back panel of the Nintendo Switch 2 dock and connect the HDMI cable. Also connect your Type-C connector, one end connected to the charging adapter and one end on the dock. Now just grab your Nintendo Switch and just put it inside the dock like this. Once we do that, let's connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the TV. Now switch your HDMI channel your Nintendo Switch 2 is connected to. Now here's how to pair your new or old Pro controller to the Switch 2. Use the cable that comes with the controller and connect the Type-A part to the left side of your Nintendo Switch 2 dock and the Type-C on the controller itself. Now just wake up the switch by pressing the power button. And now your Pro controller has been paired with the switch. Now you don't have to use the wire to use it. And that is how you set up your Nintendo Switch 2 for the first time. Now enjoy this short gameplay of Switch 2 version of Tears of the Kingdom. If you have any question regarding your setup or if I miss anything, just let me know in the comments. I might be able to help you. If you think this video was helpful for you, please press the like button. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new Nintendo Switch 2. Happy gaming!